Hey guys, Nancy Ann here, and today we have a Stitch Fix. Hey everyone, I'm Nancy Ann. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here. Before I get going on telling you a little bit about Stitch Fix and opening up my new Stitch Fix box, number 5, I want to talk to you about this one. This is from Dia & Company. My last Dia unboxing, everyone kept commenting on this one sweater. So much so that I went to the website and I thought, I need to get that. When I looked at the footage back, I liked it, I hadn't kept it. And it was originally $59 when I had my box. Let's see if I can get this open. It's gonna make a lot of noise. And when I went to the website, it was on sale, and then they were offering 30% off of everything with a code. So by the time all was said and done, and I paid tax and everything, this was $32 and change. And look at the way it comes. It comes with wrapped with a pretty little Dia sticker, and here's that sweater, everybody. So I want to thank everyone for your comments on this. So now it's mine. So you will probably see this in an upcoming video. Didn't really need another sweater, but this one was just so cute. I had to keep it. All right, let's move on to Stitch Fix. And a little bit about Stitch Fix before we get into the box, just in case you've never heard of it before. Stitch Fix is a styling service. When you go onto their website, you fill out a questionnaire. So they get things like your likes, your dislikes, your sizes, what colors you like, all that good stuff. And then they have a selection of items that it's called a stitch preview. Fix preview, not a stitch preview, a fix preview. And you go on there and you can select up to 5 items that you want sent to you. If you do not select 5 items, they discard everything you have not selected, and the stylist then comes in and picks some new items. If you want to be surprised, you can just not go on them there and let them pick for you. I learned on my last fix, if you watched that this was not the best idea. I thought I was doing a good thing, but basically I wound up with a bunch of things that fit but didn't meet my needs or style at all, and I got a pair of earrings and my ears aren't pierced. I wasn't very happy with that one, and it honestly looked like it was a box that was not created for the dead of winter. And I went on, and they always want lots and lots of feedback, and I gave them lots and lots of feedback to the point that they offered to give me the styling fee free for this box. So with this box, I've been through an evolution here with how to handle these boxes and the fix preview and all that. I decided I was going to go on and look at this fix preview and make sure I got things that I was reasonably sure would work for me. So I did pick 2 pairs of things to go on my feet and 3 items of clothing. What I forgot to do or somehow missed was you can get extras, and I had intended on getting a pair of pajamas sent to me that I actually wanted. I missed it. So I didn't get those. That's why I went ahead and did the Dia sweater, because I had a little bit of extra time, I knew, with only 5 items and 2 of them being shoes. Okay. Oh, a little bit more about the company. I have 3 days to try and decide, but it's very easy to extend that time out. The shipping and both ways is free. If you use a code, referral link, I'm going to leave below, you can get $25 off of your first fix. I get $25 credit too. Thank you very much if you do that. You guys using my credits has, wow, it has helped me tremendously. I just can't even begin to give you enough thanks for everyone who's done that for me. And for you, I hope you got great stuff. Let me know. Here we go. Let's get into our box. So here's my prepaid mailer. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have, yeah, it looks like maybe they sent me extras anyway, and one of them's the pajamas. This is weird. Okay, so here we go. Maybe I did pick them and I just don't recall. Losing my mind. Okay, so here's a little bundle with 3 items. I do remember, I think that's a jacket, that's a shirt, and there's a pair of jeans, so that's good. I think I can make an outfit with those, maybe. And then let's see the extras I got that I don't recall. Sometimes I think I have dementia. All right, put that over there. I've got a pack of socks. No-show socks, 3-pack. Okay. I've got, looks like a set of pajamas. They're short pajamas. short sleeve. Oh, those are cute. Huh, I like those. And here's the pajamas I actually wanted. Okay, clearly I did select things from the extras. I'm just completely drawing a blank on that. So there we go. Yay, I got the pajamas, although I am a little disturbed that I don't remember that. Okay, and now for the shoes. Again, my only beef with StitchFix is I don't get the boxes. I need to order some off of Amazon to keep my shoes. I keep mine in boxes. So here's a really cute pair. Of course, my favorite color, burgundy heels. So I'll try those on with an outfit. And let's see. Other pair. Oh, these are kind of a neutral. It looks like they're, if those aren't suede, they're very good faux suede. Brown heel with a low. Brown booty with a low heel. So those are cute. Here is my stylist note. Last time I didn't read it to you because it was so generic. It was pretty apparent. It wasn't really specified for me. But we're going to read it this time and see what it says. Let's see. Wants to know if I tried freestyle. It's got ideas on how to style the different pieces in here. The Emma Boyfriend Jean. Oh, it's a boyfriend jean. Very good. Hello there, Nancy Ann, and happy fix number 5. I'm absolutely thrilled you not only enjoyed your fix preview, but also picked out 5 fabulous items that you're wanting to try out. The V-neck pullover from Rainn is a fan favorite, and since it can be easily dressed up or down depending on how you style it. That sentence didn't grammatically make sense, but that's okay. We understood what she was trying to say. Pair this piece with our on-trend boyfriend jeans from Mavi for a classic look this winter season. Add a fun pop of color and layer of style with our bright red Modal Scuba blazer from Skies Are Blue. Ooh, it's a scuba blazer. That wasn't what I thought I was getting, but okie doke. One thing you get in the preview is you get pictures, but I don't think you get prices or descriptions. This is a great addition to your closet since you can easily add it to your wardrobe as well. I may like that. Complete your new outfit with our taupe booties from MIA or Mia. If it's all in caps, is it MIA or is it Mia? Someone tell me down below, please. And you can walk out the door in style. I really look forward to your unboxing episode and reading your detailed feedback. All the best, Janelle. Yeah, this time they actually put a stylist on me. I think last time I may have had just the algorithm. I don't know. But that feels much more personalized. So kudos to StitchFix for trying to do right by me. And then here we have the pricing sheet. I will wait on that until the end. Okay, let's move on and do a try on. All right, guys, here we are with 3 of the items. I am not wearing the red Modal jacket like she suggested because the sleeves are short. I mean, it's cute, but I don't think I'm giving the jacket a fair shake with these sweater sleeves sticking out from underneath it. So I'm gonna wait on that and put it on with the shirt I had on at the intro, most likely. Okay, so there's that. I also wanna say, I didn't take the clothing items out of the wrapping and show it to you. I'm sorry about that, but you can see them now on my body. So here we are. Alrighty, so let's start with the sweater. This is a cute little sweater, don't you think? I mean, it's nothing super remarkable, I don't think, but it is cute. It's comfortable. It's got a little bit of a lighter print. I don't know if you can see that on there with the darker blue. I like the color just fine. Let me show you the back, the whole thing. Get a gander at the jeans while I'm turned around. So I don't know why I thought in the fixed preview that this had a little bit of red or burgundy in it. It doesn't. It's all blue. It's a fine sweater. I don't know what the price is, but we'll find out together in a minute. The boyfriend jeans. I'm surprised. I like these. I've tried a couple of pairs of boyfriend jeans on in a couple of past boxes that didn't exactly work for me. I think these are exactly working for me. I'm going to wear them around a little bit because when I first put them on, the waist was a little bit large. And I found that sometimes they will conform to my body, and then sometimes as I wear them, then they'll stretch out more. So I'm going to wear them for a little bit, but I honestly don't think it isn't anything a belt won't fix. And I do have that cute belt that I got from the Front Door Fashion box. They're long enough. They're long enough you can cuff them and make them look like a real boyfriend jean. So I don't know. I think these are cute. Showed you the back. I'll show you again. What do you think? So I think I like these. Again, it will depend on price, but I think they're cute. Now the booties. This is the first time in a long time that a pair of shoes actually has threatened to be too big on me. And I don't think that's a bad thing. I think I could put thicker socks in with these booties. I don't know if they're real leather or not, but they feel pretty good. I do well with StitchFix shoes. Honestly, if they could just send me a box of shoes to choose from, I would be happy. Their shoes fit me and they're comfortable and they're stylish. That's one thing I super like about a StitchFix is the shoes. So if one of the stylists is watching me, keep it up with the shoes. I love your shoes. Okay, so let's take a look at the prices here and what this is, what these are. We've got the, let's see, Daniel Rainn RE V-neck pullover in blue. It's a size medium. It's $68. Kind of an average price for these boxes. I've never tried anything Daniel Rainn on before, I don't think. Heard the name a lot watching other unboxers, but I think that's kind of good. This is the Mavi Emma Boyfriend Jean in indigo, size 12. It's $92. That's a little bit expensive, I think, but well, okay, maybe. All right, and then we have the Mia Kandis Bootie in taupe, size 11. These are 69 bucks. That's really good on a pair of shoes. I'll take them off and let you see them closer. And then we'll come back with the top I started out with and the shoes. But I do want to show these to you up close. I may have done it on the intro. I think I did, but here we go. So there you go. They're simple little booty. I almost could get my foot in them without unzipping. There's the zipper side. So I think these are cute. Obviously they're not leather at $69, but I think I could really use these. Alrighty, so there's that. Let's move on to the other pair of boots and that scuba jacket. Last two items from the box. We have this Modal blazer and the booties. Let me come up on you with the blazer here. I kind of like this. It's a 3/4 sleeve. Not real sure how I feel about that, but I'm kind of liking the styling. I think the coloring is flattering and I think the style is flattering. Let me show you from the back. And I like it with the boyfriend jeans. I mean, this isn't like a formal jacket really. It's got a softer feel to it. There is no button. I could use a blazer. I could see using this quite a bit, so I think it might depend on price with that. So the little booties, the little burgundy booties, I'll show them up close to you probably when we do the pricing, but they've got little cutouts at the top, and I went ahead and I rolled these boyfriend jeans up. I've seen people do that. I'm starting to figure things out, and I think it works okay like that. Probably would look better rolled up with the taupe colored booties, but I'm okay with this too. I love these boots, the way that they look. I love the color. They zip up the back. I think that's really cool. The only thing is they're feeling maybe a little tight, and I think my left pinky toe on this foot could start protesting eventually. Alrighty, let's talk prices on these two items. This is the Skies Are Blue Hannah Modal Scuba Blazer in red. It's size medium. It's $88. And the booty is the violet and red Jackson Laser Cut Topline booty in burgundy, size 11. They are $95. Alrighty, let's get to a wrap up and I'll show you what my extras are too. For our wrap up, I just had to try the sweater from Dia & Company that I showed at the beginning of this video with these boyfriend jeans and taupe booties, because that's how the stylist from Dia & Company told me to wear them before. She gave me a pair of boyfriend jeans that didn't fit quite right, and I didn't have the right color booties, so I just had to see how this looked together. I think it's a cute look. What do you think? So I'm really glad I got this sweater. Thanks to everyone who comments, because you actually helped me realize I needed to get this one back, and then I got a great price on it, so that's good. Okay, my extras from the box that I ordered. You can get, I think, up to 10 extras with StitchFix, and even though I don't recall ordering these, asking for them, I must have, because they look like things I would ask for. So we've got these sage green short sleeve jammies. These are $44. If I'd have had a styling fee, which I didn't, to be credited back to something, I would have considered these, because it would have been, like, I would have only paid an extra $24 and I wouldn't have lost the styling fee. And then look at these cheetah print. I tried these on with my very first fix, the cheetah print pajamas. They've got the contrasting gray ribbing as accent on the pieces. I already know from experience, these are heavenly soft. They're 55. They're great. They're great pajamas. I don't know if I'm going to keep them though, because again, the styling fee isn't going to get credited back to me. So I don't know, maybe I'll look for something else on sale at a better price. And then there was just 3 pairs of Stance socks that are $24.99. They're a size medium large. My foot's definitely nothing to do with a medium. At size 11, I would need like a large, extra large. So those wouldn't have worked for me even if I wanted to keep them. Okay, the items that were actually in the box, the clothing items, I was going to show you these booties. They've got the cutout. Can you see that right there? So cute. It's got a back zipper. I love that. Rounded toe and a little bit of a stacked heel. These are $95. I'm pretty sure as I wore them, they would start hurting my feet. They're just, I think they're a teensy bit small. It's like they could have used the extra size from the booties that I'm wearing. And so those are going to probably go back. Matter of fact, I know they are. The boyfriend jeans are $92. They're a little bit spendy, but they fit me. I think they look pretty good. I'll look at the footage back. I can always tell so much more when I look at the footage from the videos. And they're a different style than anything else I have. And I think boyfriend jeans are going to be a tough fit on me. So I'm going to wear them around the house a little bit, see how the waist does, see how I feel, you know, with a belt on. And I don't know, perhaps I'll keep them. What would you do? Then there is these taupe booties. These are great. They're a nice neutral. I don't have any booties in this color. I think I would wear them a lot, and they're 69 bucks. So that's pretty darn awesome. We've got the Modal jacket, the blazer, that was 88. I'm debating about this. The big thing is the sleeve length. I'm not sure I would wear it all the time, although I would wear it some. I don't know, thinking about it. What do you guys think? And then there's the Daniel Rainn V sweater with the pretty print. It's a fine sweater. I just don't think this is anything I would be excited to keep right now. And at $69, why? Okay, so that's all of our items in the box. The total on the clothing is $412. And with StitchFix, if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which would be a $103 discount, would bring me down to $309 plus tax. Normally you pay a $20 styling fee, which would be credited back towards that, would have brought me down to $289, but I did not. That would have been $309 total. I'm not keeping all 5, obviously, so now I just have to narrow it down to what I do want to keep. So what do you think? What should I keep? So I'm going to probably extend the due date of this out so that you guys can see this and give me some advice. I want to thank you very much for taking the time to spend with me, looking at my fix, trying it on. Please do let me know what you think. Comment below. I respond to all comments. If you could take just a split second and hit that like button, it helps me a bunch. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be great. Don't forget, I'm going to be choosing someone from my most consistent commenters once we hit 500 in subscribers for a $50 gift card to either Wantable, most likely if you are here in the US, and StitchFix if you are over in the UK. Alrighty, that is it. Thank you so much for watching with me. We'll see you all on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. Scuba blazer from Skies Are Blue. Ooh, it's a scuba blazer. That wasn't what I thought I was getting, but okie doke. One thing you get in the preview is you get pictures, but I don't think you get prices or descriptions.